Usually when color changing on something like tapestry crochet or a garment, you would actually carry the other color through behind the stitches on the inside of the piece. But in amigurumi, that isn't necessary. And what I like to do is leave some slack behind for each color change and let that color kind of just hang loosely on the wrong side of the piece where it's not visible. So to demonstrate that, I have one more stitch here before I start the color changes. So I am going to work my color change as I normally would by completing that last single crochet in the new color. And as I drape over that new color, notice that at first there is quite some tension. Like you can see that it's kind of puckering the shape of the piece. Let me center it here. So you definitely want to make sure that you are making your tension loose enough. And the way I like to do that is just use my finger here. I just push it down slightly. And then as you can see, I'm holding it down with my finger. So I'm just switching up my grip here. I'm going to finish up that single crochet stitch in the new color. And make sure to tug on that yarn tail of the previous color. Okay, and then now we have the new color on our hook. I am going to single crochet my way across this color change here and show you how I'm going to pick up the pink color once again and leave some slack in the back just like we just completed. The reason why I prefer this method instead of carrying it through is because with amigurumi stitches, it's still possible to see the color being carried through the little stitches. So this leads to a much neater outcome. Again, we're on the last single crochet stitch before we do the color change here. And so I'm gonna grab that pink and hold it down and pull through to complete that last single crochet stitch and just kind of press down a little bit to make sure that there is some slack so it's not puckering your piece. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to have like a piece like this instead of a rounded piece because the yarn will be too short and it's going to alter the overall shape. Now, the more rounds in you get, your yarn might get tangled like I'm showing you here, and you just have to be mindful to carefully undo that every so often so that you don't end up with a super messy tangle at the end.